Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, and this is how to replace one ceramic wall tile. Essentially what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting out the grout joints surrounding the tile. We're going to be replacing this center tile right here. We're going to take an oscillating saw, cut around the perimeter of it, clean out the joint. We're going to cut this tile in half, remove the tile, clean the backing off with, from all the residual adhesives, replace the tile, and then regrout. And this was how to replace one ceramic bathroom wall tile. This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., helping you build a better life. So reach out to me on Facebook at the Home Source Guy.